Welcome to a new week of The Rundown. On this episode, a new uniform app for mobile devices, cybersecurity, and energy action. A new mobile app has been released that provides sailors guidance on when and how to wear the NWU Type 3. The app is called OpNav Uniform. The app provides photos of various Type 3 uniform items and demonstrates how each is worn. There's also a feedback section where sailors can provide tips for improving the app. Search OpNav Uniform to download the app in the iTunes Store or on Google Play. You can also visit applocker.navy.mil. This month, the Navy is focusing on cybersecurity awareness and how to safeguard your information to keep you and others safe. Here are a few things you can do to protect yourself and your family from cyber threats. Always lock your profile. Keep all software and devices up to date to reduce the risk of viruses. Delete or report suspicious emails, and adjust your privacy and security settings on how you share information. There have been a lot of news concerning threats to networks and computer systems, so it's important to practice cybersecurity to ensure vital information does not fall into the wrong hands. Read more about cybersecurity awareness by clicking the banner on Navy.mil. October is also Energy Action Month. Established in 2011 by President Obama, Energy Action Month encourages the responsible and efficient use of limited energy resources. The theme this year is Energy Action equals Mission Success. Every sailor, ashore and afloat, has a direct impact on energy use. The Navy wants you to ensure that you are doing your part to ensure the responsible use of energy efficiency in support of mission success. This includes turning off lights and unplugging electronic devices when not in use. Read more on Energy Action Month on the front page of Navy.mil. That's all for this week. For any questions, send us a message at usnpeople.fct@navy.mil. For the Chief Naval Personnel, I'm MC2 LJ Burleson. Thanks for watching.